Today's video from Sam4S Help. We're taking a detailed look at using a barcode scanner with the NR-500 series of registers. So in this video I'm using the model the NR-510F, but the process is the same with all models in the 500 series. And for reference, the barcode scanner is a Sunlux 6500. I've got other videos showing you how to set this up, so how to set the barcode scanner up with the till and how to program your barcode items onto the register as well. So you're welcome to check those out. I'll put a link to those up at the end of the video. This video is really just about how the barcodes work in the sales position, so when you're actually using the register, what happens and what you need to do. So the first thing, as with all sales on all registers, not just Sam4S, you need to make sure the key lock or the mode button is set to the register mode. So you can see on here the key is in reg mode, and you also need to make sure you're signed on. So on these machines, if you get a message that says register mode closed and you try and scan your items, nothing happens because no one's logged on to the register. So you log on by entering a number and then pressing the Clark hash button. And now what happens is you can use the register. So selling items that are programmed into the till is nice and easy. You just scan the barcode and repeat for each item in the sale. If you sell multiples of a particular item, you simply type in the quantity, so 25 for example. Then you've got a button here called X time. You hit that, then scan the item and it'll sell 25 of that particular item or whatever quantity you've put in. If you're looking to void an item, so let's say we've put in a couple of other lines of a transaction and then the customer changes their mind about a particular item that was a barcode product, you can simply void and then scan the item. So to get rid of one of those repair kits, you can then void it off. So effectively, sales with a barcode scanner are the same as standard PLUs. They're just a bit quicker. So rather than typing in a price and hitting a button or typing in a PLU number, you're just scanning a barcode. One problem that can happen when you're using the register is if you scan a item that's not already been programmed into the till, you get an error message saying not found PLU. You've got a couple of choices what to do here. What you do kind of depends on how the till's set up. So if you've got tax set up on the register, which I have on this, you're just going to make sure that if you sell the item outside of its barcode or program it as an emergency barcode, you just got to make sure you pick a PLU that has the correct tax code on it. So we can type in a price, then hit the appropriate PLU button, and then subtotal and cash the transaction off. Alternatively, you could remove the item from the sale and just ring it through as a random miscellaneous item by using a miscellaneous button on the register. And then what I would recommend doing is, as soon as you possibly can, is programming your barcode product. So yeah, if you need to do that, check out the video that's appearing on screen now showing you how to do that. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.